so confusing, but I really don't know how to enter the departure side. I've been roaming around for like 20 minutes and I'm still in the car park. So now I think I've got what I need to do. I need to go to P10. So I need to wait for the lift again. So yes. I missed the flight and it wasn't my fault because the train was delayed by 1 hour. And then I landed in the airport and I didn't know how to go to the departure section. So I started running up and down in the lift. And finally I reached it. And then they helped me to reach. And my gate was 80/70. So I had to start running and they upgraded me to premium economy. It's all good in the end. But it was a very, very long journey. And I was very scared that I would miss the flight. But I didn't. How do you feel? We have paparazzi for time out with ICD. Abhi unbeat pehले illi hota idda appali munde hota idda.
We are the first day in Udaipur, just freshen up in the hotel Inder Prakash, and after an hour or so break, now we are getting out of the hotel to go towards city center. We are planning to visit City Lake side, Jagmandir Palace. So hopefully we'll be able to enjoy. Let's see how it all goes. See you later.
ಇಷ್ಟು ಓಡೋದಂತಕ್ಕೆ why are you running so much?
7 ಗಂಟೆ 7 o'clock. The last boat is at 7 o'clock.
And he wants ice cream before 7 o'clock.
Yeah, we want to have ice cream first and then have a bit of a walk around here in Jagmandir.
Jagmohan.
And then and I think hopefully then we'll be having the lights around here, so that might be another beauty to watch.
Yes,
from
2
here.
in 1.
So I think we'll be getting best of the both.
Yay!
As we came quite late in the last boat, we reached here, and now the last boat we are returning.
This is currently where I am in Udaipur, and it feels really incredible. I can't really believe like I'm on holiday wherein I'm not carrying any books of any sort or not thinking about anything related to academics. Yeah, the noise is because of the bats, okay? But today has really been a good day. I mean, a lot has happened. And there is always going to be something between me and traveling. No matter how organized I am, something or the other happens on that day. But it was a good day and I had a really, really good long conversation with a stranger on the flight. And it just felt so amazing. Because I'm extroverted, okay, but I don't really like go out of my way and talk to people, especially on a flight, because that's where people keep to themselves. But I took that extra effort and it turned out to be a beautiful conversation. And after that I met my parents and my brother and the trip just began. And it started off with kachori, which really just made my day. And right now I feel really grateful and happy. But I'm also kind of sad because I'm going to be a senior soon and I really don't want that for reasons which can go for another video. But I'm really grateful even for the fact that my parents were able to organize this trip and we were able to have family trips even when there are some other constrictions happening. But we came by boat to this amazing place, and if you just look at the views, it is incredible, and I cannot emphasize on how beautiful India is. And people sometimes discredit that and don't really take it into heart how magnificent everything is. So I'm going to really enjoy my time over here in Udaipur, and it's going to be one of the best trips up there. So yes, first day, amazing.
समझिए इश्क कीजिए फिर समझिए जिंदगी क्या चीज है
24th August 2024. Who thought it could be so beautiful? Oh my god. Udaipur is like amazing. So basically what we have been doing, okay, I'm like filled with makeup and all, you know, big 18 second year MBBS student. So basically we woke up at 5:30 and we came up to see the sunrise, but then as you can see the weather is quite misty, but it was amazing. We can see over here that there are small, no, not small, but those are like buffaloes in the water. They've like been submerged there for so long. We've not really explored the city of Udaipur, but a lot of mountains. We've got a lot to cover. Today's plan is to go to Chittorgarh, which is a few hours from Udaipur. So it's going to be like a good road trip as well. Yes, just a minute. Oh, who do we have there? Come on in, come on in. We are in Hotel Indra Prakash of Udaipur and the room was just magnificent, and I'm going to give you a little tour. We're about to leave the hotel, so I just thought let's give you a glimpse of everything. First and foremost, my most favorite place is this corner where I can enjoy my me time, which I got for like 2 minutes, because every time I was just like introspecting about something, my dad would open and look like this. So yes, but it's a very nice place. Then we have the room, the bedroom, and just look at the architecture and the aestheticness of the room. What are you doing, Gaisri Bata? So basically, we have literally walked and explored Chittorgarh, and it is amazing. Like the way they built it, the architecture, and the manner in which the guide has explained everything makes it so much more clearer. And there are some cliche things which we thought, because the movie presented it'll be the same, but it was clear that that was kind of an exaggerated thing. But we're really enjoying our time over here. And it is kind of disheartening to see that some of the religious things for us were destroyed by the Mughals, but then that's how it's always been, and history keeps on proving that. So apart from that, it's really a nice place, and the weather is amazing as well. So now we're going to get chai and enjoy even more. So yes.
मैं जब क्लास 5 में था तब से मैं गाइडिंग कर रहा हूँ. अभी मेरा मास्टर ऑफ आर्ट्स चालू है.
Okay.
एंड समथिंग 70 इयर्स प्लस मुझे गाइडिंग करते हुए यहाँ हो चुके हैं.
Wow.
ये पूरा राजस्थान का सबसे मोस्ट इम्पोर्टेंट फोर्ट रहा है चित्तौड़गढ़, जो आपने.
आपको कैसे लगता है, मतलब इतना हिस्ट्री सब बोलने?
अच्छा लगता है मुझे, इसी प्रोफेशन में अच्छा लगा तो मैंने यही चूज़ किया था उसी समय से. और अभी मेरे जॉब वगैरह का रिक्वायरमेंट इतना नहीं रहता है, तो यहाँ से अच्छा है.
ओके, हाँ, थैंक यू.
वेलकम.
Hello.
Hello.
It is now day 2 in Rajasthan, and right now we have completed.
Yeah, this is almost the end of the second day in Rajasthan. We are in Chittorgarh, in hotel, the
Grand Chittor
Hotel, and we are right in front of the Chittorgarh
So
fort.
basically, my mom, she helped us upgrade the room by giving extra 500 rupees, and now we have like a balcony view. And right there you can see the fort, which is lighted up, and it is so pretty. Like till 11 p.m. we'll be able to enjoy this view, and it's really nice.
Yeah, we have got a balcony, and we can have tea together while watching the light.
And we
on
were like
top of the
watching,
hill.
we were going through all the photos. We took like 600 photos today, and it's really a nice family bonding time.
I
right?
think we thoroughly enjoyed all together, whether it's day or night. We are able to appreciate this place very much. Hope you all guys visit here
Yes.
at least once.
I
and
would
enjoy
10
it.
out of 10 recommend this entire trip. So I hope it helps you in planning as well. So bye.
Yeah.
Meet you for day 3.
Yeah, see you later. Bye
Bye. Okay, so we're on the way to Nutty Lake and we can't really, it's like, I can't even speak, you know. But we're really enjoying ourselves, and as you can see, if I focus on my dad, he's nowhere to be seen because he's just running. So we're gonna, like, he could go to the Olympics one because he's so fast at walking, he's like there. No matter how many attractions we do, whether we complete all of it or not, we're gonna exploit it and have as much fun as we can in all of them. It's raining, so we're waiting for the rain to stop a little. Okay, so we're going back up. It was quite a tiring journey. This man, everyone's irritated with this man over here. He's caused a lot of problems. Well, we've reached this viewpoint, you know, and the view is amazing. And Amma takes the lead once again. And that man...
Did you take the lake view there? Lake view.
Yes, yes. Okay, so we are in Udaipur and we've got really good breakfast over here. It's like a proper English breakfast. I've got a muffin and paratha, croissant, and it is going to be amazing. We've got milkshake as well. I've got a bit of a cold, but then the view is amazing. And yes, we're gonna enjoy today. So today's plan is, would you like to tell today's plan, please?
I think first we would like, after the breakfast, we would like to visit Sajjan Palace, which is also called Monsoon Palace. And then we would like to go to Karni Mata Temple by Gondala. And I think probably lastly we might be going to City Palace. I think all three will take time until evening.
Yes, now we're gonna enjoy a good breakfast. Bye. Okay, so we're now on our way to Karni Mata Temple and we are going through the cable car up till there. So it's a 4-minute ride and it's like our first time doing this. So it's really nice. Udaipur really does have it all. And yes, this is the view down, if you can see. Right, there's the lake, there's the temple at the back. It is raining, but then luckily they haven't stopped the service even if it's raining. So yes, bye. Okay, so we're now on our way to City Palace, which is considered to be one of the greatest attractions of Udaipur. Luckily we had our student IDs, because of that the prices were deducted by 200 rupees per person. And I'm really glad that we left it till the end, because now we can utilize the remaining the remaining part of the day really well. And we've taken the electric car to come 1 kilometer up till the inside of the palace, and this is the view. Very, very nice and just really nice. We're really enjoying ourselves. Udaipur is one of the best places we've visited in a really, really long time, and I think it's like an all season. Throughout the year you can come and visit the place. So we're really enjoying ourselves, taking good videos, taking good photos. So yes, bye. Okay, so we're on our way back to the Udaipur airport, and from there we're going to Mumbai, and we have the connecting flight to Mysore, Bangalore. From Bangalore to Mysore. A long journey, but it's come to an end. The holiday is amazing. So this was all about our trip to the white city, that is Udaipur. Previously, we have visited the pink city, the blue city and the golden city, which were all quite certainly heavenly places. Apart from this, on this trip, we did also visit the second longest wall in the world after the Great Wall of China, which is known as the Kumbhalgarh Fort. The main beauty of this place is that unlike most other historical monuments that have been destroyed by Mughals or other such rulers, here, despite being attacked out 54 times, the Mewa rulers have managed to uphold its beauty and prevent its destruction. So this was another beautiful part of our trip, but that brings us to the end. Come back next week for more time out with Aisri. Bye!
Bye.